mine. What do you feel beside?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So as you can see, the environment that I'm in is in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. So this is a continuation of the last video, that is the kitchen cleaning video. And if you've not watched that, please go back and watch that video. Show me some love, leave me some comment. Yeah, so first and foremost, let me welcome all the new subscribers. If you're new to this channel, feel most welcomed. And if you're returning fam, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Yeah, so guys, I'm wearing this because my hair looks really bad. Like I don't want you guys to see the matuta on my hair. Anyway, see your matuta, but that's why I'm on this one. Secondly, I'm not okay. I have some allergic reaction. If you can see my face, something is going on. I was not like this 2 days ago. I was not like this. So I don't know what I ate that immolated all these problems. So I'll have to visit a dermatologist again. My face, I think, is the worst face ever. Like he also inanisumbua sana, I can't just apply anything. Even if I go to the salon nifanyiwe the blow dry and all that, wanishike tu na hiyo mafuta kidogo on my face, that's when the drama starts. So hivi I look so bad, I really hate it, but lazima to vlog, we must vlog. Yeah, so I want to clean up the fridge. That's why I'm saying this is a continuation of the previous video, because for me, deep cleaning kitchen takes a lot of time. I could not conjoin that in one video, and the other video you saw was quite long. So I want to clean up the fridge. I need to remove the rubber from the fridge. I'll show you that. Then I'm going to clean up the cooker too. Alafu I will also clean up I mean not the cooker, I mean the oven. Yeah, so welcome once again, and don't forget to like this video ukimaliza kuwatch. Also, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, share me out to your friends, tell them to subscribe. Subscribe after watching. Yeah, so let's remove the things from the fridge. Actually, I don't have much. I've not done a restock, lakini whatever it is that is there, I prefer cleaning the fridge kama haina vitu. So I want to remove everything from the fridge, then we clean up. Yeah.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter.
So guys, on normal circumstances, if I'm not deep cleaning the fridge, I'll just wipe with the vinegar mixture. But if it's a deep clean like on this one today, I remove all the compartments from the fridge. That is inclusive of all the things that are stored inside, and also throw away the ones that have like expired. Yeah, so that's what I was doing back then. So right now I'm washing all the containers and the fridge compartments that I had decluttered from the fridge. So I'll let them dry up after the wash, then I will go ahead and wipe the fridge. To wash the containers and the compartments, I only use soap and water. Yeah. my fridge is not that big, or it's not those big fridge, so it's quite easy to clean. Like, to remove the compartments and to wash them, it takes like something like, I think, 10 minutes roughly, so it doesn't have a lot of work. The work comes in when you are wiping, because you really need to get in there and remove all the dirt, yeah. So for washing the compartments, it's not usually a big deal for me. Like, wiping it, the edges and all the surfaces from the fridge, it is what takes time. But still, when it's done perfectly, it's worth it, because you'll take quite some time or some few weeks to clean it again. Yeah. So guys, I have not prepared the vinegar mixture, so I will just mix here. So this is the vinegar. I will add to the water. That is enough. Then I will add this liquid soap. Yes. So this is what I'm going to use to clean the fridge. This is just okay. I will just do one clean up, because the fridge is not dirty. So this is what we'll use.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer, while we're so ashamed to be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
So guys, I saw this on a fellow YouTuber's channel, that actually this rubber can be removed, and I didn't know. And just look at the dirt yenye iko hapa. It's too much. Let me just wash this first. This is where the rubber was, and it's even having a bad smell for that matter. So I'll have to go through this place again with some vinegar water to just be sure that iko safi, and then I'll soak the rubber in some hot water. I wash it off mara kadhaa before I put it back. Yeah. So guys, before I wipe it for the second time, I want to spray this kitchen cleaner on these edges to at least kill the bad smell that is coming out from that place. Then I'll go ahead and wipe it for the second round.
Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows.
just rinse it off with some clean water. Then I'll be done with it.
Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder. We are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way. Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours at stake. Going harder. We are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way. Don't look behind your back.
Guys, I'm done with cleaning the fridge. So you can see here, it's clean. It's also clean, like kabisa. You see? The edges are okay. The camera is not even filming well, but the area is now clean. For the freezer, I actually forgot to defrost earlier, so it still has some ice. I'll let it defrost, but all these areas are clean. Yeah. For the rubber, I had soaked it for some time. That is when I was wiping the fridge. I soaked it in some warm water, plus I added some soap. That is the liquid soap and the vinegar mixture, and the vinegar, sorry, at least to kill off the germs. But this rubber was so dirty. I can't believe I have been cleaning the fridge and I didn't know about this. Like, it was so awful. It was so gross, but at least I get to learn. We learn every day, and it turned out well. It was clean afterwards, plus the bad smell that was there had gone. Yeah, I learned this from Jerusha. She's called Jerusha Mombo. She's also a YouTuber. You can check out her channel. She had shared a video on how to clean a fridge, and I saw her remove the rubber, so that's where I got the idea. And yeah, it is really nice because I've learned, and I hope you've learned from this. So if you have a fridge and you've never removed this, just go and remove it, because the dirt that is there. Yeah, but if you've been cleaning it, well and good. Yeah.
Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the
The next thing to do was to clean up the sink, then afterwards return the rubber to the fridge, which was not easy. It is not, but I kind of struggled just kidogo, lakini I managed to return it back. Yeah, but it is worth it because the dirt from there was all gone. Yeah, so I returned the rubber to the fridge, arranged everything back, and yeah, I was done with the fridge. So the next plans to tackle or to clean is the oven. So that's what we are going to clean next. Something else is that someone had told me that these rubbers can be bought, but I don't know where. I've actually not found the place where I can buy, because mine has like imeraruka. Yeah, it's torn, if that's the best word to use. So I'm looking for somewhere else which I can get another one to replace this one. Yeah, so if you know, just tell me in the comment section and I will really appreciate. And also, if you have the contact of the person who will be selling it or reselling it, just tell me in the comment section. Yeah.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
So it's been a while since I used the oven, and that's why you can see it's not clean. That includes the glass. There are some watermarks on the glass, if you can see. So I'm going to clean up the oven, not basically a deep clean because it has not been used, so ni vumbi too. But yeah, it has to be clean either way. And I will also remove the glass that is on the door, yeah, the oven door. Then I will wipe it off, then return it back. And to clean the oven, I'm going to use an oven cleaner, and that's the Blue Touch oven cleaner. This cleaner is just so dope. Like, it cleans the oven and leaves it shining, by the way. It's like, you may think you've used a stainless steel cleaner, but it's just the oven cleaner. Plus, it's also affordable. Yeah, I think this is the oven cleaner I've come across, but I know there are others. But for the supermarket where I went to, that is Naivas, I found this Blue Touch, and I've been using it for a while, and it is doing an amazing job. So that's also a plug. If you're looking for an oven cleaner, just look for Blue Touch and you will not be disappointed.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and
For the door glass, that's the oven door glass, I'm going to use the Astonish window and glass cleaner. And this one is also a plus, triple double plus. It works well. I've used it before. This is actually like I don't know, I think the fourth time I'm using this ever since I bought it. And it does an amazing work. Like leaves the glass shining, without the marks and all that. It works well. So that's what I'll use for the glass that's on the oven door. I removed it, then cleaned the other glass. Like my oven has two layers of glass. So there's the one that can be removed, then the one that cannot be removed. Yeah. And you will see how it will turn out. Something else to note is that when you're deep cleaning your oven, you need to be really, really careful. If you're those people who are clumsy with glasses, that means like you can break it, you're not sure. I'd rather you don't remove it, or to just get someone else to remove it for you, because that glass is that heavy one, and I don't know if it is sold, like the one specifically for the oven. I don't know if it is sold somewhere. I've never heard. What I know that ukiipasua, buying it again will be expensive. So you need to be really careful. If you know that's too hard for you, I'd rather you not do it, because you've seen someone doing it. Yeah, but either way, just try and get your oven as clean as possible, because we use it for food, and food needs to be made on clean things. Yeah. Yeah. Again, something else that is so hard with the cleaning of the oven is if you've removed these screws. Like, to tighten them up is not an easy task. Again, you can't lose them. You need to be careful, kwa sababu they are really small. So you need to be careful on how you put them back. For again, you need to put them back the way they're supposed to be for the glass to balance. Yeah, so that is something else that you need to know.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told.
So guys, I didn't have a tester, the one I used to tighten the small screws, but I had to use a knife either way. Anyway, it worked, and the oven is all done. So if you've watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. I hope I have motivated you guys to clean your fridge, to clean your ovens. Yeah, and you can tell me in the comment section the methods you use. I really do appreciate you all for being here. Thank you for watching, and may the Lord bless you and protect you. Goodbye.
Be a heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make